Students, it's English ladder of 6th class and our second lesson is Every Man's Well. Before starting the lesson, we should discuss the main character of the story. First character is Bilal. This is the main and major character of the story. Then Sana, Bilal's starter, and then Bilal's father, some villagers and some workers who play the main role in the story. Firstly, we should discuss the difficult word meanings. First word is faded, loose color, surface, external part of the layer, damp, wet, skidding, slip sideways, halt, crippled, puffs, short quick breath, pepped, brief look, immediately, at once, stings, reek, sparkingly, bright, amazed, surprised, nodded, move head, up and down, barren, unproductive, landscape, design areas of land, patch, plot of land, skip, leap lightly, drawing, pull out, splash, dash of liquid, bucket, bale, squeaking, short high pitched sound, sight, exhale loudly in relief, pumping, draw out, purposes, aims, reduced, lesson, irrigation, act of artificially supplying an area, land with the water, आबपाशी का निज़ाम, crops, fields, drifted, carry out, digging, how, shovels, tool, concrete, gravel, cylinders, tube shape, figures, bottom, base, accord, repetition of sound, tastiest, delicious, plead, request, stringy, miserly, stirring, inside, winding up, twisting, concern, worry, exclaimed, cry out with a sudden feeling of mind, fantastic, amazing, pole, rod, hook, attack, poking, push, glanced, ringing sound, leaning, inside, sunbeams, rays, tilted, leaning, let, position. Okay students, except these word meanings, you will learn the book read meanings as well. Now let's come discuss the main theme of the story. As all of you know that we are learning about the nature's gift, and this story is also about the precious gifts of the nature, water. This story guides us how should we use the gift of the god. Things always not remain in the same condition if we do not show our gratitude and do not care about them. चीज़ें जो हैं हमेशा अपनी असली हालत में नहीं रहती अगर हम उनकी कदर नहीं करते और अल्लाह ताला की नाशुक्री करते हैं. As in this story we will read this type of lesson. Allah Almighty has a great power to take off those gifts from the earth. अल्लाह ताला ज़मीन से फिर वो चीज़ें उठा लेते हैं या हमसे छीन लेते हैं अगर हम उनकी कदर नहीं करते. In this lesson we will discuss that how the villagers overuse the fresh water. इस स्टोरी में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि विलेजर्स ने किस तरह से पानी को ज़ाया किया था और फिर बाद में उनसे कैसे पानी की जो नेमत है वो छीन ली गई. And then deprived of the fresh water of well soon. Okay students, now let's discuss the main theme of the story. Okay, firstly Sana and Bilal came into the village after the long time. Bilal sits near the dirty well, as you can see in the picture. Sana asked her father that why are you sitting here? This well gives a dirty smell. And Sana also raises a lot of questions that why the villagers have left the village, कि villagers जो हैं इस village को छोड़ के क्यों चले गए. Why this land is so much barren, ये ज़मीन इतनी बंजर क्यों है. Upon which Bilal tells her the story of his childhood, जिसके ऊपर वो उसे अपने बचपन की स्टोरी सुनाता है. Bilal says that in his childhood His father and he started digging a well. उन्होंने एक कुआं खोदना शुरू किया. Later, later the neighbors and the other villagers helped them and they completed it within 1 month. एक मंथ के अंदर उन्होंने इसे कंप्लीट कर दिया. All of them were very happy. Bilal, Sana's father, always ready to help the others to serve the water, and one day all of them were very happy. Bilal, Sana's father, always ready to help the others and to serve the water. One day, एक दिन, his bucket fell into the well. He was very much worried. His mother asked him the matter of the concern. एक दिन उसकी बकेट जो है वो कुएं में गिर जाती है. उसकी मदर उसके पास आते हैं और पूछते हैं, बेटा क्या मसला है, वाई आर यू सो मच वरी. एंड ही टोल्ड हर अबाउट द बकेट. अपनी बकेट के बारे में बताता है. देन द वर्कर्स हेल्प हिम पुल आउट द बकेट. द sunbeam driver. Bilal has one mirror. It is called the sunbeam driver. And the sunbeam driver of the Bilal, वो sunbeam driver की मदद से उसे बाहर निकालते हैं. Everything was okay, but due to the negligence of all villagers, all of them deprived of the fresh water and left the village. Villagers जो हैं वो फ्रेश वाटर की कदर नहीं करते, उसका एहतियात से उसका पानी यूज़ नहीं करते, जिसके नतीजे में उन्हें फ्रेश वाटर से महरूम होना पड़ता है और विलेज को छोड़ना पड़ता है. So students, fresh water is a great blessing of Allah. Never waste it. इसे कभी भी ज़ाया नहीं करना. If we waste it, we will have to face a lot of problem करना पड़ सकता है. Okay students, now your concept about the fresh water is clear. Try to create a suitable paragraph on the importance of the water and give it a suitable caption as well. And learn the reading with the intonation as I have guided you in the previous lecture. In the next lecture, we will solve the exercise of this lesson.